topic for the video is MS Paint. You know, you can even draw and color pictures on a computer. For this, Windows has a program called MS Paint. To start MS Paint program, please follow these steps. Step 1 is click on the Start button. Step 2, select All Programs menu. Step 3, click on Accessories from the menu. Step 4, select the Paint option. Paint is an application in Windows that you can use to create new drawings or make changes in your existing pictures. The MS Paint application has 5 major components. These are: number 1 is drawing area, number 2 is title bar, number 3 is status bar, number 4 is menu bar, and number 5 is ribbon. The first main component is drawing area. Drawing area of the Paint window is like the canvas which you can draw and color. The second main component is title bar. Title bar display the title, that is the name of the drawing. At the left end of the title bar, the first item shows a little paint palette offering options to restore, move, minimize, maximize, and close window. The next 4 items make up the quick access bar, offering buttons to save, undo, redo, and customize. At the end of the title bar are the 3 usual window buttons. These are minimize, maximize, and close. The third main component of the MS Paint application, status bar, is displayed at the bottom of the Paint window. It displays the size of the drawing area and contains a zooming option bar. Status bar also displays the position of the pointer in pixels. The fourth one is menu bar. The menu bar has 3 items on the left, that is Paint button, Home button, and View tab, and also a Help button at the far right. First one is Paint button. Paint button contains various options like opening a new Paint window or an existing image, saving a document, taking printouts, sending images in emails, etc. It also includes an option named Set as Desktop Background, where you can set your current drawing as your desktop background. Second one is Home tab. The Home tab contains the Home tab ribbon, from which tools and colors are selected. When you are making use of the View tab, you can flip back and forth between Home and View as often as you need. The third one is the View tab. The View tab provides various options on the View tab ribbon to adjust the view of your drawing and the drawing area. Zoom in and zoom out tools can be used repeatedly to get a closer or more distant view. In the Show or Hide group, you have options for showing and hiding the status bar, grid lines, and rulers. Clipboard. Clipboard Group offers 3 options, that is cut, copy, and paste. Image Group. Image Group offers you various options to select your image. It also provides options such as crop, resize, and rotate. Tools Group. Tools Group provides all the basic drawing tools such as pencils, erasers, text, etc. Let us discuss these tools in details. The first one is pencil tool. The pencil tool is just like the pencil we use. It is used for freehand drawing. To use this tool, follow the steps. Number 1, click on the pencil tool in Tools group. Step number 2, select the color from the Colors group. Step number 3, take the mouse pointer to the drawing area. And step number 4 is click and drag the mouse to draw. As you move the mouse, you see a shape coming up. You can change the thickness of the pencil using the size button. Number 2 is fill with color. This tool is used to fill an area with single color. To use it, follow the steps. Step number 1. Click on Fill with Color tool in Tools group. Step number 2. Select a color from the Colors group. Step number 3. Move the mouse pointer to the closed area that is to be colored. And step number 4 is click inside the area to fill it with the color. Third tool is Text tool. The Text tool is used to write text drawing area. This tool is used to give heading or name to your picture. To use this tool, please follow the steps. Step number 1. Click on the Text tool in Tools group. Step number 2. Choose the color from the Colors tab. Step number 3. Click in the drawing area where you want to add the text. Step number 4. A dotted box will appear. Step 5. Move the cursor to any edge to get the drag pointer. Drag the box to the correct position. Step number 6. The insertion point blinks inside it. And the final and the 7th step is type the desired text inside the box. Tool number 4 is Eraser tool. The eraser tool here is used to rub anything in drawing area just like you use eraser on your notebooks. To use the eraser tool, follow the steps. Step number 1. Click on the eraser tool in Tools menu. Step number 2. Select the size of the eraser from the size group. Step number 3. Drag the mouse over the part you want to erase. Tool number 6 is the Magnifier. This tool is used to get an enlarged or diminished view of the drawing or the part of the drawing. Left click is used to enlarge the size of the image, while right click is used to reduce its size. Tool number 7 is brushes. Brushes in MS Paint are like the painting brushes we commonly use. Paint provides you with various brushes that lets you paint in different widths and textures. To use this tool, follow the steps. Step number 1 is click on the drop-down arrow on the brushes tool. Step number 2, select brush. Step number 3, the thickness of the brush can be chosen by clicking the drop-down arrow. Step number 3, the thickness of the brush can be chosen by clicking the drop-down arrow on the size tab. And step number 4, click and drag the mouse in the drawing area to draw picture using the brush tool. The last one is shapes group. This group contains various shapes like line, rectangle, circle, etc., which you can simply select and draw in drawing area. Use the size tool to select the thickness of the drawing tool. In colors group, color 1 defines the color of the outline and the color 2 defines the color of the fill, that is the color inside the shape. After finishing your work, you need to save your work. To save your work, follow the steps. Click on the Paint button. Step number 2, a menu appears. Click on Save As option. Step number 3, a new window known as the Save As dialog box appears. Step number 4, open the folder where you want to save your image. Step number 5, type the name that you want to give to your work. And the final step is click on the Save button. Creating a new picture. To create a new picture on MS Paint, follow the steps. Step 1 is click on the Paint button. Step number 2 is click on New. Every new picture appears with a default name untitled. Step number 3, draw your picture in the drawing area. Opening a saved image. To open already saved picture, follow the steps. Step number 1, click on Paint button. Step number 2, click on Open. Step number 3, the Open dialog box will appear. Step number 4, browse the file name you want to open. And the final and the fifth step is click on Open button given at bottom right corner. The last thing to know is closing the MS Paint. To close MS Paint, click on the Close button at the top right corner of the MS Paint screen, or else click on Paint button and then click Exit. If you have not saved your work, a prompt box appears. Save your work at the place where you want to save it. You can even deny to save and close the MS Paint. So this was all about the MS Paint. Thank you.